mind talk, a message a pagan send. And everything where glitter gold, so look out for bad mind friend. No. Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win?
Hey Msjulzb, I'm back again with another video. This time I'll be doing the TMI tag, simply because I'm trying to do a get to know me tag, but the questions that I found are so boring that it just ain't tickling me fancy. I need something interesting, something, you know, like I need to get in my business. I want to get in my business. But if you are interested, I'm currently wearing the lip gloss from my own cosmetics line, which is Dreamy Negril, the watermelon flavor, the hot pink one. Yes, and it tastes good. Can't wait for kiss off my man with them my lip, y'all. It tastes good. Alright, so let's get into the video before you get bored and switch over. But Msjulzb, how have you been? It's been a while, man. Let me know. Leave a comment below. So let's start. What are you wearing? I'm wearing a, what do you call this? A fishnet top blouse and a pajama bottom. My pajamas bottom, because I just couldn't be bothered, to be quite honest. But lazy sometimes, not as it, like, God knows I'm lazy at times. Ever been in love? Yes. Up, up, up. I'm currently in love, and I will always be in love. Yes. In your eyes, I know I find the light to light my way when I'm scared, losing ground when my world's gone. That's him good. Him is perfect. Ever had a terrible breakup? I mean, if you tell you about it, we say one breakup, we say man wicked and bad and lie, but it is bad, but that will be another story time in the future. Me not even but that me not tell you no. Because currently my life is just great, but yes, I've had a terrible breakup. How tall are you? I'm 5'3". How much do you... On a nosy, bad. Like, I don't want to know how much I weigh. I weigh 12.5 stone. Yes, I'm a little bit of a fatty boom boom. But no worry, that's soon gone. Any tattoos? Yes, I have 13. Any piercings? I believe I have 8, but they're not all in. OTP, I don't know what that means. Favorite show? Love and Hip Hop. I love Love and Hip Hop. What? Cardi B, my girl. I love Love and Hip Hop. Currently, it's Love and Hip Hop Atlanta going on. Atlanta. Good girl. You know, say Rashida and Kirk is a big idiot. Kirk is such a big idiot. Could have never me, honestly. Favorite bands? I don't have any favorite bands because I don't listen to that kind of particular music. Oh, bands. I guess Destiny's Child was my favorite band at one point. Something you miss? Nothing. Favorite song? Don't really have one. I listen to so much different music in a day, but I love Bashment. Give me dance on any day.
Give me say.
Any day. How old are you? I'm 22. Zodiac sign? I'm an Aquarian. You water baby. God bless us from the crown of our head to the sole of our feet, because you know anything that goes with water is blessed already. Up. Quality you look for in a partner: honesty, loyalty, and damn sexy. I'm good in a bed. I feel good in a bed. I feel turn up in a bed. Favorite quote? I don't have one. I don't really read a lot of quotey things. I mean, I read a lot of quotes, but I can't tell you who they're by or any inspirational quote by a famous black person. Or that's just not me. Favorite actor? I don't have one. Favorite color? White. Like soft love songs, but favorite loud music or soft? Soft, I guess, for that question. Where do you go when you're sad? In my head. Like I think and I go, you know, I just go round and round, but yeah. How long does it take you to shower? Sometimes 5 minutes, sometimes 30 minutes. It depends where I'm going, or it just depends what mood I'm in, you know. Sometimes I've been home all day, not really been doing much. No need for a half an hour shower. A little 5-minute, 10-minute shower. Done. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning? Hour flat. Ever been in a physical fight? 3. Bad y'all, just, you know. I'm joking, I'm a good girl, but yeah. What am I turn on? Honesty, I love manners and I love a good smell. Like cologne, I love a good cologne. Turn off a bad smell. A bad smell turns me off. Like, I don't know how people can stink. Yuck. Ooh. The reason you join YouTube to get money. What else do people join YouTube for? Like, let's be real. Huh? I'm joking. I didn't join to make money. I joined because I wanted to give myself to the world. I don't know, give myself to the world. Like, I think I have a message. Like, I think I was born to help the nation. I don't know how yet, but I think I have something to really give, you know. Fears, being broke, and rats, mice, hamsters, anything that looks like a little fluff ball on the floor. Oh. Last thing that made you cry, I can't remember because I haven't cried in ages. Last time you said you loved someone. Last night when I spoke to Bae. Yeah. Meaning behind your YouTube name. Okay, so my name is Julnet. The Julz mean Julnet. It's short for Julnet, which is my middle name, and the B comes from my last name. So Msjulzb TV, and obviously TV because it's like a reality TV show because I vlog. Yeah. Last book you read? My constitutional law book. The book you're currently reading, my constitutional law book. Last show you watched. The last show I watched was Love and Hip Hop. Last person you spoke to, my boo boo. The relationship between you and the last person you text. Friend, Alicia, my friend, uni friend. Favorite food between Chinese, Jamaican, like a mixture between those. Place you want to visit. I want to visit somewhere that looks peaceful. Have you ever seen those diagrams? Like, you see this wooden boat in the middle of a blue ocean, like with white sand and like fruits and the spa, and you're just like somewhere very like simple and simplistic, and when you breathe you can just smell the fresh air. I don't know where that would be, but somewhere like that. Last place you were. I don't know what that means, but I was in my mum's room last before I came in my room. Do you have a crush? No. Last time you kissed someone? August the 8th, when I kissed my boo-boo. Because I am in a long distance relationship. If you are a true Msjulzb, you would know, because I would have hoped you'd watch all my videos. Like vacation, how, you know, the interesting one them. I would have hoped you know. I would have hoped you've known that. Oh. Last time you was insulted. Can't remember. I don't think I've been insulted in a very long time, to be quite frank. Favorite flavor of sweets? Watermelon. Like, you know that tangy water, that, I don't know, that nice one. What instruments do you play? Nada. Favorite piece of jewelry? Nothing. I think I like earrings. I like really big, like big chunky earrings. The one that just, not the hoops. I hate hoops. Can't stand hoops. I just don't. Can't stand hoops. But you know the big Primark, the big ones, man. I can't find them. Last sport you played? I mean, must have been rounders in year 11 when with the bat and ball. Rounders. That was like 7 years ago. When lazy bad. Last song you sung, Celine Dion, I'm Alive in my living room. I was voicing out. I was like, I'm alive, set my heart on fire, in love, make me woman. Yeah, you see them ones there? Yeah, man. Favorite chat line? What's your number? Have you ever used it? Yes. That's why I'm gonna get married. Yeah, man. Last time you hung out with someone? Friday in uni with my girl Chanel. Who should answer these questions next? everyone that has a YouTube channel should answer your question next. I'm gonna say, yeah, so how are you, Msjulzb? It's been a while, it's been a hot minute since I've sat here and spoke to you guys, isn't it? Like, what's popping? Let me know in the comment section, and also please do head over to my other channel, because I don't know if you're aware, but I am doing a diabetes awareness video series because my grandmother has got diabetes and her leg has been amputated recently. So it just really made me think of my health, and you know, my health is not great. I won't lie, my health is not the best. I'm a bit of a fatty. I do love my food, especially my sugary foods, and it's just giving me a wake up call, like, girl, you know, diabetes is real, and it could possibly affect you, because that's the only sickness that runs through the family. Like, it just runs through all of us. So it's like, why not try and change my life from now before it gets too late? So yes, but yeah, thank you for watching so much. Thank you, and please do remember to subscribe, like, comment and share. And remember, you are the best. Don't let anyone tell you different. You're a wonderful person, you're beautiful inside out, and watch your health, look after your health, and please be kind to yourself and look after your health from now, because diabetes is so real. Okay, this is Msjulzb. It's been real. I've loved talking to you, and I will see you very shortly. Okay, Msjulzb? Bye.
Girl, your body good and you're special to me. Wanna make you my lady officially. I'm your ticket for Biden, me willing for
party.
Only you. Oh, me only want your body, me no want no other